Good day everyone, I'm Joshua Clement and today I'm going to talk to you about how to remove your closet doors and hang up curtains. Now you can do this to a door that's on hinges or to a door that's on a roller system. For this job I'm going to be using a battery powered drill with a number 2 Phillips tip bit. I'll also be using a curtain rod and a hanging system. So the easiest way to remove the door is at the hinges. You want to go ahead and remove the hinges from the jamb itself. So we'll grab our battery powered drill and go ahead and remove those screws. We'll go ahead and do this to all the hinges. Now we're going to take our hanging bracket, put it right above the trim on the door, and drill it into place. Then we'll go ahead and do that to both sides. We're going to take our curtain rod and our curtain and go ahead and feed the rod through the curtain. Then we'll put them back together. Grab the curtain and hang it up on the brackets. Putting a curtain up instead of a door can help for easy access in like the pantry and those game closets, and removing it at the hinges allows you to be able to put that door back on when you need it. Thank you all for watching and good luck with this project.